second year with MPC group in Government Junior College, Pochampalli, Yadadri, Bongiri district. Today I would like to share a few words about air pollution. Actually, did you know that according to World Health Organization, 99% of the population breathes the air that exceeds recommended pollution limits. Air pollution is not a distant environmental issue. It is a global public health crisis which claims millions of lives annually. My presentation will explore the primary sources of air pollution and its devastating impacts on climate and health of humans, and the efficient policy solutions can create a healthier future for all. Air pollution is the contamination of air with harmful substances like greenhouse gases and volatile organic compounds originated from the sources such as vehicle emissions and factories emissions, and also combustion of fossil fuels. Effects of fossil fuels and the causes of air pollution are industrial emissions, transportation, burning of fossil fuels, and deforestation, and also farming. Industrial emissions, factories and industrial processes releases pollutants like sulfur dioxide and particulate matter. Transportation, vehicles emissions gases like carbon monoxide and particulate matter. Foresting also contribute to air pollution with the use of certain chemicals and the release of ammonia. Deforestation, with the deforestation the planet lost its ability to absorb carbon dioxide and increase the oxygen levels in the atmosphere. Effects of air pollution, effects on human health, respiratory issues like lung cancer, asthma, bronchitis, and long exposure can lead to the lung cancer and chronic lung diseases. I also related to the heart diseases and heart strokes. Other impacts, air pollution can lead to the memory problems. Especially it is very harmful to vulnerable groups like children and elderly people, those with pre-existing conditions. Effects on atmosphere, it affects the ecosystem of plants and animals by affecting their survival. My suggestions to increase the oxygen levels or to reduce the air pollution in the atmosphere: reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, use natural gas instead of fossil fuels, or use another fossil fuels instead of coal or other. Transportation implements: use more electric vehicles and also other fuels efficient vehicles, and implement the sustainable practices like 3R strategy: reuse, reduce, recycle to conserve energy, and also manage the waste properly to reduce the pollution. And finally, and most important, public awareness. Educate the people to realize about the air pollution and its major effects, and encourage green lifestyles and community actions. With this, I am concluding my presentation. Thank you, Ananda, for giving this great opportunity.